322 Northwest 49th Street. We're sitting in the city main, huh? Yeah. We're sitting in the city main, pulling back to make a recording as we go. Right here we're looking at 6-inch diameter clay pipe coming off the stub. Now we got a couple turns. Now we are going to be coming up on the problem area right here. As you can see, there's a massive break at the bottom of the pipe. The whole chunk is missing. There are roots coming in different spots here. This is located 10 foot deep in the middle of the street on the southeast side of the house. Right here we have a tie-in coming from the other side of the house. That left side of this Y, that is the line that is leaving on the east side. I was unable to get past that point from the other side. It got right to the back side of that Y. So this is a different line coming on the west side of the house. Lots of roots throughout. Some sand there. Looks like we're in a 3-inch pipe. We went into 4 back by the property line, but I believe this is 3. There is a tie-in, I believe possibly coming from the front downspout on the south side of the house by the stairs. There's another tie-in on the left, I believe coming from the floor drain in the driveway. Now we are into PVC here. Coming up out of the cleanout now. There's our access point. We're going to end the recording there.